we're going to open Kindi doll.
Ooh, is that the new craze now after LOL?
Hey!
Hey, there's Radley. Today is Alexa's birthday. She turned 6 today, February 28th.
February 28, 2020.
Yeah. So, we just woke her up. So, as you can see, she's just wearing sleeping clothes.
And we have crazy hair.
Watch your fingers, Alexa. So, she's gonna open this Kindi Kids doll. And her name is Donatina. So, the head bubbles, it comes with a magic spoon. It's got a see me eat my cereal thing.
I'm gonna get one of them someday.
Okay, we're gonna open it. I'm gonna help the kids, okay?
Hey guys, we are back because it's hard opening this, so let's open it.
I told them it's her birthday, she just woke
It's
up.
my birthday and I just woke up.
Yeah, that's why her hair is like that, but it's okay. What matters is your review about the
Look
doll.
at this, look.
So what's her name again? Donatina. So what's so
Look
special? What's so special with this doll?
at this doll.
It's got real hair. I mean, not compared to what do you call them? LOLs.
But you
It's got fibers.
can take off the shoes and then
Can you take the shoes off?
yeah.
What's that?
Look at this cereal.
Okay, you can feed her
Look
cereals.
at this.
It actually looks like what do you call those toys? The one with the faces?
You have to
Ah.
just pop that.
Let me see. Show me. Sit her up or stand her up. And then what happens? You pretend, or you can actually pretend you're getting cereals from there by show me the spoon. Because where? Let me see. Where is it?
Here,
Yeah, show. So what do you do with it?
you do this.
Let me see. So this one,
You do this.
let go. I'll just show. So this one, something actually comes out. There.
Guys,
Okay.
look at this. There's actually nothing
And then
inside.
it says here on the box, I can actually hold my spoon.
What?
Yeah. So pull out spoon from the bowl and see cereal appear. And then feed to doll to watch it disappear. Then push back or push spoon back into cereal to refill spoon. There you go.
It's not working. It's not going inside.
It's not supposed to go inside. It's just a pretend that you're actually feeding it like there, and then you look.
Shoot one.
There you go. And then
Look
shoot
like
it.
this. Like this. I'm gonna try shooting in your mouth. I'm
Okay.
gonna try shooting in your mouth. Show her she can hold it. Look.
All right. So enjoy your toy, and
I'll show you.
we wish you a happy birthday, Alexa.
Look. I got the horses in the bug. Can nobody tell me no bug. You can't take.
Oh, she's holding it
It's like a gun.
like a gun.
It's like a cereal
Oh
gun.
yeah, that's how she actually holds it, based on the picture. All right. All right. Say goodbye, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you.
Bye.